Welcome and croeso to the Computing Unlocked scheme of work. Today we're going to look at step 4 of our lesson plans, and we're going to have a look at adding a point scoring system. So what we're going to do is start to add some coins, and every time Kodu eats those coins, we're going to build up some points, and once we get to a certain point, we will then win our game. So we're going to go through and select Kodu with our left mouse button to allow us to add objects. So on the world, left mouse, click, and we're going to go through to our coins, which is in this section. And as you can see there, we have our first coin. So I'm going to right click, go back to Kodu, I'm going to right click our coin, and we're going to copy it. And I'm just going to paste it 5 times for now. And I'm just going to paste it quite close so I don't have to go all the way around the world to collect them, to make it a bit quicker. So we've got our coins. Now we have to program Kodu to go and collect those coins. So one of the programs we did before, one of the little steps we did before was when we bump an apple, we're going to eat it. So we're going to copy that, but instead of the apple this time, we're going to put in a coin. So when we bump our coin, now coin is in objects, under more and more again, and we have our coin here. So when we bump our coin, we are going to eat. So let's go and try that first just to see whether that works. So I'll click escape twice to come out into game mode, and we're going to move our Kodu, and he eats the coin. So that works. So now what we're going to start to think about doing is adding a little program now to put a point scoring system in. So we're going to do exactly the same as before. So when we bump the apple, when we bump the coin, sorry, more coin. So when we bump the coin, now what we wanted to do is add some points. So we're going to go through the game, and we're going to add a score, and we need to set the color of the score. So we're going to I'm just going to do blue. You can choose whatever you want, and add 1 point to it. So every time we bump an apple, we add 1 point to our blue score. So let's try that one for now. So escape to come out, escape again to play the game. So as we move through the level and we bump the coin, we get 1 point. And what you can see in the top right hand corner, our points are added up. So now we've got 2 points for 2 coins. So I'm going to come out now. So we're going to make the game recognize that as soon as we get to 5 points, we're going to win. So when more scored, so when the score, we're going to choose the blue because we've set it as a blue score. So when the blue score is, choose compare, equals 5 points. 5 points. So when the blue score is equal to 5 points, we're going to set it to win the game. So let's go through the game and win. So there's our 3 new programs that we've put in to Kodu. So let's go and try that now. So escape once, escape again to play it, and we're going to move them around. So we're going to have, wrong way. 1, 2, there's our apple, gets done, 3, 4, and 5 points. So 5 coins, 5 points, and you win the game. Llongyfarchiadau. Diolch yn fawr.